This is Vic. Hey, this is Vic, and welcome to Construction. This is what's in my work go bags, I guess you would call them. I've got a brushless Makita Sawzall named Susie 2, because the first one broke on me. And I've got Impact. This is a nicer one. It originally had a little ring on, glow and dark ring on the front, but that fell off, broke. And I've got hammer drill, should be thicker, and extra battery, a light. Does this have a hook on it? It's a flippy light. Kind of rotates and has a little hook on it. Work your fucking. There you go. And then I got some Snap-on channel locks. These are, what size? They're just, I'm not sure what size these are. They're, I don't, you can, that's the number, with some ibuprofen, because why not, and some goggles. Always need goggles. Got my meter, the UI meter. They don't make this one anymore, I don't think. I got a Cobalt Sawzall blade handle thing, bigger Klein key, Allen key thing, and some razor blades, a Makita Sawzall blade, and a rapid charger. This is what's in my bag that has my belts. I got a Stanley Fat Max magnetic tape measure, I think this is a 16-ounce East Wing hammer, water bottle, string with, I guess there's something in the bottom, in the middle there. I'm not sure what that is. There's a bolt in the middle there that's stuck, whatever. And then some tissues, I guess, I got some gloves, a spinny screwdriver. It's a Pratt & Reed. Got this at a tag sale. And yeah, I got a headlamp, some electrical tape, a box cutter, a plug tester, a Klein 6-in-1 mini screwdriver, or 8-in-1 maybe, I don't know. 6-in-1 I think it is. Some more tape, and then I also got these pant markers on the stretchy things. Oh, I lose them, so that's why I have that. And then I got this Malco flip bit with the 1/4 and the 5/16 on one side, and then a DeWalt, a magnetic tipped slider to help with the screws, with the Milwaukee bit in it, and a pen, and some other random crap. And in the belt, I've got the hammer holder, and I've got pencil, notepad, 14-in-1 micro screwdriver from Klein, the spinny thing, a little notepad, a Klein magnetic level, a hole saw, some extra Sawzall bits. I got a square head, a square Robertson bit, then a bit extension, a what do we call this? A concrete bit, and I've got a volt tester, markers and pencils and whatnot, and pens, and this is I guess a center punch. Got a Craftsman flathead, and I got for free. A friend of mine gave that to me, and I got the Klein Phillips. Got the Klein needles with the comfortable grips, and then the regular Klein Dyke or Linesman's with the Klein bigger flathead, and then Klein wire cutter strippers and cutters, and Snap-on dikes, and yeah, so that's my travel bag, or go bags, I guess. Thanks for watching.